In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MidJourney account, an essential step if you're interested in exploring creative AI tools for generating stunning images. Let's get started by delving into the process, which is straightforward and should only take a few moments of your time. First, open your web browser of choice and head over to midjourney.com. This is the official website where you'll find all of MidJourney's powerful tools and resources at your fingertips. Once the page loads, look for the prominent button labeled Sign Up, or depending on your screen, it might appear as Log In, Sign Up. Click on that button to begin the process of creating your account. Next, you'll need to decide how you'd like to log in. MidJourney offers a couple of options for your convenience. You can either continue with Discord or choose to use your Google account. If you're already familiar with Discord, or if you find it easier to manage multiple creative projects through it, connecting your Discord account is a seamless way to proceed. It allows you to use an existing account or create a new one if you haven't yet joined the Discord community. On the other hand, if you prefer to keep things simple and connect with a platform that's widely used, using a Google account is another great choice. It's quick and requires just your Google credentials to get started. If you decide on the Discord option, you will need to authorize MidJourney to access your Discord account. What this means is allowing MidJourney to integrate with your Discord, enabling a smooth user experience. This is a standard step and ensures both systems can communicate effectively to deliver the best possible service. If instead you opt to connect with Google, you'll go through the familiar process of signing in with your Google account credentials. Simply enter them when prompted, and you'll be logged into MidJourney with ease. Once you've navigated these preliminary steps and your account is set up, MidJourney will likely prompt you to select a subscription plan. As you explore the options available, remember that the creative image generation features are accessible only with an active plan. So, choosing a plan that suits your needs and budget is crucial to start harnessing the power of MidJourney's innovative technology. This is where you'll unlock your access to those exciting advanced tools offered by MidJourney. And there you have it. You're now equipped with all the information you need to create your MidJourney account and step into a world of exciting new creative possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!